We all love a clean house, right? It feels good. A tidy home not only looks great, but also creates a peaceful and happy environment. But let's be honest, cleaning can be, well, a little boring. Sometimes it feels like a never-ending chore that no one wants to do. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. With a little creativity and teamwork, cleaning can become a fun and rewarding activity. Let's turn cleaning into a family affair. When everyone pitches in, the work gets done faster and it becomes a bonding experience. We can make it fun for everyone. How about turning it into a game? Set a timer and see who can clean their area the fastest, or play some upbeat music and dance while you clean. Imagine the whole family working together, laughing and having a good time while making the house sparkle. It's a great way to teach kids responsibility and the importance of teamwork. Cleaning together is a great way to spend quality time as a family. It provides an opportunity to talk, share stories, and create lasting memories. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So put on your cleaning gloves, crank up the music, and let's get started. Remember, a clean house is a happy house, and cleaning can be a joyful experience when done together. Who loves a good challenge? I know I do. There's nothing like a bit of friendly competition to get everyone motivated and excited. Let's turn our cleanup into a fun family competition. Imagine the laughter and joy as we all pitch in together, making our home sparkle while having a blast. We can divide the house into zones and make each person responsible for one. This way, everyone has their own space to focus on, and it becomes a team effort. Set a timer and see who can finish their zone the fastest and best. The ticking clock adds an element of excitement and urgency, making the task more engaging. The winner gets a special prize, like choosing what's for dinner or getting to pick the next family movie night. These little rewards can make a big difference in motivation. Remember, it's not just about speed, but also about doing a good job. We want to ensure that every corner is spotless and that everyone takes pride in their work. We want our house to be sparkling clean. A clean home is a happy home, and when we all work together, it becomes a place of joy and comfort. So let's grab our cleaning supplies, put on some upbeat music, and get started on this fun challenge. Dancing and singing while cleaning can make the process even more enjoyable. Turn up the volume on your favorite tunes and let the rhythm guide your cleaning spree. It's also a great opportunity to teach kids valuable life skills. Show them the best techniques for dusting, vacuuming, and organizing. These are lessons they'll carry with them for life. Don't forget to take breaks and enjoy some snacks together. A little rest and refreshment can keep everyone's energy levels high and spirits up. As we wrap up our cleaning challenge, let's take a moment to admire our hard work. High fives all around for a job well done. Now, it's time to relax and enjoy our clean, organized home. Whether it's watching a movie together or simply lounging in a tidy space, the effort we put in makes it all worthwhile. And who knows, maybe we'll make this a regular event. A cleaning challenge can be a fun and productive way to spend time together as a family. Leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite family cleaning challenge. Even our littlest family members can join the cleaning fun. It's amazing how much joy and excitement they can bring to what might otherwise be a mundane task. Giving kids age-appropriate chores teaches them responsibility and helps them feel proud of their contributions. It's not just about getting the house clean, it's about instilling valuable life skills that will benefit them in the long run. Start with simple tasks, like putting away toys. This can be a great way to introduce them to the concept of tidying up and taking care of their own space, or wiping down low tables. These small tasks are perfect for little hands and help them feel like they are making a real difference. Make it a game by pretending to be superheroes fighting against dust bunnies. Turning chores into a fun activity can make the experience enjoyable for everyone involved. Remember to praise their efforts and celebrate their accomplishments. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in encouraging them to keep helping out. Cleaning together creates lasting memories and strengthens family bonds. It's not just about the chores, it's about spending quality time together and building a sense of teamwork and cooperation. After the cleaning is done, take some time to relax and enjoy each other's company. Share a meal, talk about your day, and appreciate the clean space you've created together. The sense of accomplishment and pride that comes from a job well done is something that everyone can share. It's a wonderful way to teach children the value of hard work and the joy of a clean home. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.